Dito kami sa tapat ng Two Seasons. Beachfront ditong hotel restaurant. And sikat sila for the oyster, sisig, and 4 cheese pizza. So dito kami magla-lunch for today.
You heard it right! Another food recommendation, guys! So sikat daw ang Two Seasons Resort dito sa Boracay for their oyster sisig and 4 cheese pizza. So let's give it a try if it's really worth it. And while waiting for our order, let's enjoy muna the view since Two Seasons Resort is a beachfront. Super lapit na din ng Two Seasons sa famous na Willis Rock or the Grotto, but since it's a high tide ngayon, hindi ko siya may papakita.
So, bali yun na lang po.
Yun na lang po.
I repeat order, mama. Bali isang chop suey, isang bulalusok, isang 4 cheese pizza, square cut, 2 oyster sisig, isang Angus burger, 5 plain rice, isang garlic rice, tapo isang biscuit Tagalog.
Okay. Okay na yun, kuya. Thank you.
At eto na nga ang kanilang famous na oyster sisig. And aside sa kanilang oyster sisig, another best seller ay ang kanilang 4 cheese pizza. And for the rest of our orders, we have biscuit Tagalog, chop suey, Angus burger, and bulalo. Another must try nga ito dahil lahat nagustuhan namin. Yung oyster sisig nila is like toasted at wala kang malalasahan na lansa. And yung 4 cheese pizza nila naman comes in a thin crust na very crispy din. A little pricey on the budget, but you get what you paid for, since nasa beachfront din ito. Here's a sample of their menu. Pause this part if you want to check. So next time you're in Boracay, isama na sa inyong bucket list ang Two Seasons and try their best-selling na oyster sisig and 4 cheese pizza. Yun lang, ang yaman. Bye!